Hey everyone! Rebuilding an entire UI from a screenshot is a thing of the past. In 2026, AI-powered plugins can reverse engineer your images into perfectly structured, editable layers with auto layout in seconds. Today, I'm showing you the fastest way to do it. Let's jump in. Step 1. Launch the Image to Design plugin. Open your Figma file and press Command/ or Control/ to open the Quick Actions menu. Search for and launch a plugin like Image.Design or Codia AI. These are the industry standards in 2026 for accurate AI recreation. Step 2. Upload your screenshot. Once the plugin window is open, simply drag and drop your screenshot, PNG, JPG, or WebP directly into the upload area. You can even paste an image from your clipboard if you just took a quick snip of a website or app. Step 3. Choose your import settings. Before hitting Convert, look at your settings. Make sure Editable Layers is selected. In 2026, these plugins also offer an auto layout toggle. Keep this on so your design stays responsive and organized instead of just being a mess of floating boxes. Step 4. Run the AI conversion. Click the Import or Convert to Figma button. The AI will now analyze the visual hierarchy, identifying buttons, text styles, and image placeholders. In about 10 to 15 seconds, a fully layered version of that screenshot will appear on your canvas. Step 5. Refine and edit. Now it's all going to be editable. You can double-click to change the text, swap out the colors using your own design system, or adjust the spacing using the auto layout handles. That's how you go from a flat image to a working prototype in under a minute. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.